Right, good morning everyone. Now I have been collecting as much as I can for these blue kits. I have to say you're going to be surprised. I've started, don't worry, I've only put them all, putting the stuff together. There are 3 different blues. We're doing the navy blue, the royal blue and the powder blue, because I didn't have enough originally to put everything together. So these will all be packed nicely. I've just bagged I've just bagged up what I had, but I have been to the warehouse this morning. So there's a lot in these kits, and we shall see. So I'm going to get stuff out to show you. We've found the navy blue roses. These are the larger roses. So we've got those. Now just have to excuse me, I have to open all the packs. These are not to going in the kit, but these I managed to get, they're going in the shop, and these are the lilac small filler, what I call a filler rose, but they are beautiful, so they'll be going in the shop shortly. Now I have to say, they have like a section, cheap section, where they get rid of all the things that they find hard to sell, and I was thrilled, ladies and gents, because look at this, the beaded trim, and I managed, look at the colours, so that will be going in with the blue kit, and I'll tell you for why. It's got blue in it, but I'm going to put it in the kit. I not only got it in that colour, I actually got it in the plain white, in the pearly one. So that's going in. I always look on that stall because they have like a section for it, because they always have something really nice that's going cheap. Now I did manage to get some of the dark blue roses, the rolled roses, so they're going in the kit. And I'm not getting everything out to show you, I'm just showing you bits. Like I say, that was another lot of that. I did actually find this one on the cheap one, which is the, I'll get it out for you so you can see it. Again, it'll be going in the shop. So because I got it cheap, you'll get it cheap. And everybody knows, if you craft enough, everybody knows that beaded trim is expensive. And it is, it's, so having it on the cheap aisle, that's good for me, because then I can bring it to you at very good prices. Now, most of this is for the blue kit, and you'll get everything I'm showing you in the blue kit. And look, I managed to find the tassel, the loopy tassel, absolutely gorgeous, so that will definitely be in the kit. Now, I've got to be careful how I stack all this, because I know it's going to end up on the arse. Be everywhere. I managed to get these, which are the pink ones. These are not for the kit, obviously. These are just for the shop. They're beautiful two-tone pink foam roses. They're great for flower fillers. So that's that one. Again, on the cheap aisle, I got it in the red. So we got the trim in the red, the beaded trim. I won't miss up a bargain like that, because I know how much it is to buy it. Now, yeah, because we're doing the three colours of blue in the kit, I also found the powder blue, and we already have this in a multi. I think it's a multi and a pink. That one. So we've got it in the powder blue as well. Okay. Let me get that number off my finger. Off my hand. There you go. So that will be in your kit. Oh, I need to put that on there. No, that's fine. Let's have a look. I got these. These I just thought, because you need little decorations for your kits, don't you? And look at these. I managed to get those. They are iron-on, but you can glue them on. So they're going in your kit. They've got the two of the colours. And they're gorgeous. They're nice size. So they will be going in the kit. Let's have a look. What else did we get? I managed to get some blue felt. You never know. You never know what you might want in your kit. So like a rip-wrap trim. That's going in, because that's the powder blue section. That colour, that's kind of lace, flat lace to make your flowers with. Let's have a look. Definitely wanted to get some of these because you need trimmings. Everyone needs trimmings for the kits. You can't just sell lace and a kit with lace and nothing else. But I did get those because of the petrol colour, and you've got all your colours in those. So everyone will get one of those. And I got the large one. I got some of these, which are the tiny wee navy bows. Look at those. But you never know where you'll want one. See? So they're gorgeous. So I got some of those. Let's have a look. What else did we get? This will be going in your kit for definite. Got it in the blue. Couldn't believe they had it on the cheap shelf. And I thought, you know what? My customers will love that. Just because it's cheap. Doesn't make any difference. We got the packs of feathers in the 3 colours. So they will go in your kit. Oh, yes, folks. The big needles are in. I actually managed to get hold of a couple of boxes of big needles. Do you remember the big needles? So you get the small, medium and large. So they're going on the shop. They're in stock. Grab them while you can. I got 2 boxes. There was only 10 total. 10 packs. That's it total. That's all I had. I managed to get this one for the shop. A little braid. This one. Look at that to go in the kit. Gorgeous. See, I'm trying to keep all your colours together. Yeah. So I love that one. The blue braid, can you see it? It's just a thin one. But you can dangle things from that. So we got that one. Managed to get the crocheted in blue, in the pale powder blue. So that's another one that will go in the kit. You're going to have 3 different shades of blue, but with everything we can think of to go with it. The Chinese braid in the navy blue. That's kind of like the royal to navy blue, if you know what I mean. Then I managed to get some ribbons and some other braids as well, and a cord. So let's have a look. So we got that one to go in the kit. The navy blue cord. The navy blue organza. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, like a petrol blue Chinese braid. Just gorgeous. And then I managed to get a spot ribbon. So this will all be in the one kit. They might be a little bit pricey, and I got the gross grain in the blue as well. They might be a little bit pricey, folks, but it's a kit full of blue. Everything blue. Then you lot will be able to craft to your heart's content. And then I got the flower, which is a dark navy blue. Let's have a look, see what else we got. I'm just going to tip this bag out because I need to sort it out. Oh yes, I got this one as well, which I thought was gorgeous. You know, if you're going to use trims, buy a decent one. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? I always try and get the best of the best. Even on cheap aisle. But yeah, that's a really nice braid. So we've got that one. We've also got the navy blue ribbon in the wider one to make a decent bow. And then I managed to pick up this one, which is the navy blue flower trim. Because we've got that in white with pink. So I did manage to get that. I got some of these to go in the shop, folks. The berries. So they'll be going in the... They're out now, we're doing all the Christmas stuff. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to get them while I can. So that's that. Oh, right, I got this one. And wait a minute, folks. Let me just see. And that one. And that one. Yeah. Oh, and I got that trim. Just bear with me. I got pink, plain pink roses as well as the two-tone colour pink for the shop. And that's it basically. I've got this. I managed to get that trim. That trim. Let me just have a look. Bear with me. I have to undo all the packaging because I only want to show you one. I don't need to get all of them out. And I've only got 6 of the blue kits. I can do more, obviously, because I've got enough stuff. So if the 6 sell, then I will do more. And we got that beautiful blue butterfly. Look at that. And you could put diamante on there, trim it right up. So I got that one. Hang on. Oh, God. Get in there, will you? So that's those. I managed to get the tassels in the navy blue. So I did get 3 different sizes. Or 3 different kinds. So with the long navy blue tassel like that. Put that back in there so I don't lose it. We have the bobble one, which is like this. This is the nylon one. Oh, that's quite long as well. Oh, that's longer than I thought. So we've got that one as well. That's nice. I thought they were smaller. But these are the smaller ones. So you'll get one of each in your kit. That's the the smaller one. And the last thing to go in your kit is going to be these. We're just going to put some, they're oval shaped, but we have to buy them in packs like that, but we'll put like 3 of those in your kit as well. So that's everything. I'm now going to cut, sort and pack you these 6 kits. If you want this kit, it's gonna be about £25–30. It could be a little bit more, I'm not sure. I will do it as cheaply as possible, but you're getting an awful lot of things. You're getting over 30 items in your kit. So we'll see. And then what I might do is, when I've done a yard of everything, I might do it where I do a half a yard and do a little bit less in the kits, if you know what I mean, to do a something that's more affordable for those who want a blue kit but don't want to pay for the big one. So we do try and do and cater for as many people as possible. But, you know, I've bought the stuff in, I have to sell it. So at the end of the day, we are cheap. When I say cheap, we're inexpensive in everything we do. And I do try and bring you the biggest variety of things. Your kits are going to be huge. But cheap. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.